Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious seafood bisque. First, gather your ingredients. Begin by sautéing your aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions in a large pot until they are tender. Next, add your seafood shells, such as shrimp or lobster, to the pot and cook for a few minutes to develop their flavor. Deglaze the pot with 1/2 cup of dry white wine. Then add about 4 cups of quality fish stock. Let this simmer gently for approximately 20 minutes. Once your base has simmered, carefully remove all the seafood shells from the pot. Next, using an immersion blender or a regular blender, puree the vegetable and stock mixture until it is incredibly smooth. This step is crucial for the bisque's signature texture. After blending, pass the entire mixture through a fine mesh sieve, pressing down on the solids to extract all the liquid. Discard the solids and return the silky smooth liquid to your clean pot. Now it's time to add your main seafood. Gently poach your prepared shrimp, scallops, or other seafood directly in the simmering bisque until just cooked through. Be careful not to overcook it. Next, stir in about 1/2 cup of rich heavy cream to give the bisque its luxurious texture and color. Season generously with salt, white pepper, and a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle warmth. A splash of good quality brandy or sherry at this stage truly elevates the flavor. Your exquisite seafood bisque is now ready to be served. Ladle the hot, creamy bisque into warm bowls. For a beautiful presentation and a burst of fresh flavor, garnish each serving with finely chopped fresh herbs such as chives or parsley. Serve your bisque immediately with a side of crusty bread or homemade croutons for dipping. Enjoy the rich, comforting flavors of your homemade, restaurant-quality seafood bisque.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.